Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today it's Jamaican fruit punch, and I'll be making two big jugs from fresh fruits like pineapple, Otaheite apple, bananas. So keep watching. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you like my intro. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna start by cutting off all of the pineapple skin. And once you've cut off all the pineapple skin, we're gonna go ahead and place it in some water to bring it to a boil. We boil the skin to get out all of the flavors out of that skin. Also going to cut off the head of my pineapple and save it for later to plant. I'm going to place this on the fire and bring it up to a boil. Yeah, let it boil for around 5 minutes. Okay, so while that is cooking on the stove, I'm going to cut up my pineapples right now. I'll be using half of the pineapples for my fruit juice and I'll be using the next half for a snack because I love to snack on pineapples. So I'm going to put this into a little container and put it in the fridge for later. Now let's get started on our ginger. Like you have to have ginger in your fruit juices, especially when using pineapple. It complements pineapple so good. So I just chop it up fine. Alright, moving over to the papayas. Just slice it in half and scrape out all of that seed, all of those seeds. And this is an easy way to get your fruit out of the papaya. And then once that is out, we're just gonna scrape out the fruit into our bowl. Yeah, we're making one big old bowl and then we're just going to put everything in a blender. So we're just prepping our fruits right now. Let's move over to our Otaheite apple. We take out the seeds and we just slice them, and we're going to slice them up into smaller pieces. If you cannot get hold of any Jamaican apple, this is what we call our Otaheite apple. You can use some American apples in place of this. So I'm finished cutting up all of my fruits and my pineapple skin is finished boiling. Now I'm going to let my pineapple skin cool down before blending it, but while the liquid is still hot, I'm going to use it to dissolve my sugar. Use just some of the hot liquid, not all of it, and it's like we create this brown sugar syrup that mixes out the sugar faster, that we don't have to mix all day. This is a little cool trick. Alright, so I'm gonna put that aside and start to work on my fruits. I'm gonna place all my fruits in the blender, and once my pineapple skin has been cooled off, I also place them into the blender, and I'll be adding some of this liquid too into the blender. Yeah, it's time to blend. Alright, so after blending, we're going to strain this over our simple syrup. We're going to save all of the remains because we're going to be blending this over. So we just place it back into the blender. We do not have to rinse out the blender. And we're going to blend this up now with some pineapple skin. We didn't blend all of the pineapple skin first time, so we're just going to finish blending all of it now. And we add in some more water and blend and strain. I'm going to add in my bananas right now. So I just wash out the blender, add just a little, like a cup of the juice, and I add in my bananas, 2 bananas, and I go ahead and just blend it up. This is the final blend. We're not going to strain this. We're going to leave it like this. The bananas give it this rich and smooth taste. We add some lemon juice. You can add in how much lemon juice you like. And then I just half the liquid half in one container, half in the other, and then I just add some water to it. We're making 2 big jugs of juice today. And this is not watered down, trust me. And you could just make 1 jug of juice if you wanted, or you could make 2 like me. I just add some more lemon juice just to brighten it since I added a little bit more water. And I hope you enjoy this, and I know you're going to enjoy it, so give it a try. Thanks for watching.